Want to lose 9 pounds in 1 week? I am wearing jeans that I haven't been able to wear since way before I got pregnant. Well, let me tell you how I did it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is something that's very different and I've never really done anything like this on my channel before, but I got an overwhelming amount of messages once I announced on my Instagram stories that I was beginning the keto diet. I've been sharing all of my recipes, all of the hacks that I'm finding along the way, all of the sweet treats that I'm still having while losing weight, and I was sharing it on my Instagram. All of you guys that follow me on Instagram wanting to know, share your recipes, share what you're doing, share the whole thing, document the whole thing. So I have been vlogging all of my meals. If you're not already following me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me over there because daily I am sharing with you what I'm eating throughout the day. So it's kind of like what I eat in the day, but over on Instagram, and you will be able to follow along with me. If I'm just being like 110% honest, I genuinely believe that the reason I lost weight so fast, like pretty much immediately, was because I was taking these ketone supplements, and it's called Prove It. I'm gonna leave the website linked below for you, so if you do want to go check it out yourself, you can. I have heard so many testimonies of how fast this stuff works, and it really genuinely does. It really works. You just pour it in 16 ounces of water, and you take it, you drink it slowly each day, and it automatically puts your body into ketosis and makes you burn fat. I did want to let you know that I am not an expert on keto. I am in no way a nutritionist whatsoever. I'm just doing what is working for me, and keto is the only diet I've ever really stuck with. It's the only diet that has ever really worked for me this quickly. I'm not on the supplements anymore. I do want to order another 10-day pack and take them for another 10 days so I can lose another 10 pounds. I really do believe that that is how I was losing it that quickly, but I do know that the keto diet without me taking the supplements will still be very effective. It just won't be done as fast. I will be ordering these supplements again, but again, I wanted to show you what the supplement looks like right here, and I will have the website linked below for you so you can go check it out. This is not sponsored, I'm not paid, and I do not sell it, so I just wanted to put that out there right now. The red enchilada sauce is pretty much the only thing that has carb in this recipe because I'm going to use a whole bunch of shredded cheese. I'm using queso fresco crumbled up, which is 0 carbs. So this is the red enchilada sauce that I'm using. 4 carbs per 1/4 of a cup. So that part is going to be high in carbs. But this is the recipe on my Pinterest. I will leave everything linked below for you though. But that looks so good. So I need to bake it at 450 degrees until the chicken is cooked, and then I need to shred it. I used a fork to crumble this up. I used like probably more than half of it, so I put that in there with the green chilies, the enchilada sauce, and the shredded chicken. And then you're supposed to spray Pam, and then put a layer of cheese down, and then pour this on there for me. I need another bag. You wouldn't think this is diet food. It took about 20 minutes and now it's done. Okay, so my favorite green keto smoothie. So far I have a good amount of spinach, a really big handful. I've got maybe 5 ice cubes and a heaping tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I'm going to add half of an avocado. I actually put the other half of the avocado in here as well because I haven't eaten anything today. Literally haven't had anything except for my ketones, a venti coffee from Starbucks. I'm gonna add a dash of stevia, a dash of vanilla extract, around a 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna add just a little bit of chia. And now I'm filling it up with water. I'm gonna fill it probably to right underneath the max liquid line because I don't want this to be too thick. You can just kind of guesstimate and eyeball it and put as much as you think you should have in it. Here it is. It's very thick. I personally think that it will taste a lot better if you do not put a whole avocado in it. It'll have more flavor if you don't, because the other flavors will stand out more. But I just went ahead and added the whole one because I wanted to add more fat in my diet today. but in the morning when I make this, I'm just gonna make it with half an avocado. Extremely filling, and this is a meal. Okay, so for keto coffee, go to Starbucks and get a venti iced coffee with heavy whipping cream and 5 pumps of sugar-free mocha, and say no classic. And that's it. So it's pretty good. It's not very sweet. Okay, so this is for my breakfast smoothie. You're supposed to have collagen powder that goes in this smoothie, but I don't have collagen powder because I'm still taking prenatals. So I just don't feel like I need to take that right now. What I'm gonna do is put in this much cream cheese. The recipe that I found on Pinterest does not give you measurements, it just tells you what's in it. So I kind of have made my own measurements. So I eyeball everything every time I make it. So sometimes the taste varies. Take 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a dash of vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, and I always eyeball this. I just kind of guess how much I want to put in. Then 3 or 4 ice cubes. You're supposed to use cashew butter, but I don't have any, so I'm just using peanut butter, and I'm doing 2 heaping tablespoons. And then I'm using almond and coconut milk. Here it is. For a super easy and fast lunch, because I don't have a lot of time, I'm going to use these veggie spirals. It's only 2 carbs for half of a cup, so depending on what it looks like when it comes out of the microwave, because I've never tried these before, I might use 1 cup, might use 1.5 cups, but it's easy, you just microwave it. I'm going to top it with some Colby Jack cheese. This is the spaghetti sauce I'm using. It's really good, and I love the garlicky taste, but it's 10 carbs for a half a cup, and this is all I had in my house. And I do not know what low carb spaghetti sauces are because I didn't look it up, and this is all I have, and I'm starving. So this is what I'm gonna use for now, but next time I'm just gonna pick up a low carb spaghetti sauce. So this is how many zucchini noodles came out. It's not a lot, but I guess it's like a good serving size. I don't know. I really hope that this fills me up, but I measured out a half cup of spaghetti sauce. I want to see what that will do. See, yeah, that's really, really saucy. That's how I like my spaghetti, and I probably will have a lot left over at the bottom of the bowl when I'm done. So that means I won't use all 10 of my carbs. I put some cheese on it. I'm going to melt that down. And that's all for this video, so make sure that you go over to my Instagram and follow me over there so you can check out all of my day-to-day things that I've been doing. That has way more bonus content that I don't always put over here on YouTube. As always, if you have any questions, then just leave them in the comments below for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me on this keto journey. I really hope that you're enjoying your keto journey, and if you have any awesome recipes, leave them in the comments below so I can try them, because I love making new recipes, especially if they're spicy, because I love spicy food. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.